What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best cameras for YouTube vlogging of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Sony ZV-1. Designed with vloggers in mind, the image-stabilized Sony ZV-1 checks off a long list of must-have features, from ease of use and 4K video to a fully articulated touchscreen LCD. This pint-sized camera comes with an integrated 24-70mm f1.8 to 2.8 lens, so you can create a soft background by choosing a wide open aperture. If you don't want to fiddle with manual exposure, check out the one-touch defocus option that achieves the same result quickly and easily. IAF and excellent tracking keeps you in focus while filming, and you'll look good, too, thanks to the soft skin option. And with the ZV-1's Face Priority A, the camera automatically adjusts settings to keep you properly exposed when the lighting changes. You'll also find video-centric features such as focus peaking and zebra stripes, a large record button, and a front-facing recording indicator light. The Sony ZV-1's built-in microphone produces good audio, and the camera even comes with a windscreen. It's also equipped with a 3.5mm microphone jack for an external mic, as well as a multi-interface shoe to connect additional accessories. In addition to webcam software, check out the optional vlogger kit with a shooting grip, wireless remote control, and a 64GB SD card. The grip, which doubles as a mini tripod, has an adjustable head, and while it's not as effective as a gimbal for run and gun shots, provides a good handhold when shooting on the go. Among the front-facing controls on the grip are a record button and a zoom rocker for adjusting compatible power lenses. If you don't want to keep the camera mounted on the grip, the controls still work as long as the Bluetooth connection is still active. The vlogger kit is definitely worth a serious look in. It's compatible with some other Sony cameras as well. Reasons to buy: fast 24-70mm zoom lens, easy to use, compact and lightweight. Reasons to avoid: exposure controls not easily accessible in selfie mode. Number 2. Welcome to the newest and best GoPro around. Though launched without much fanfare and looking identical to the Hero 9 Black, opens in new tab. In almost every way, the Hero 10 Black is nevertheless a significant upgrade. That's all down to its use of the all-new GP2 processor, which powers both a speedy user interface, doubles the frame rates, and fuels the best image stabilization tech yet. The larger, 2.27-inch display and the handy front-facing screen is what makes this camera perfect for vlogging, especially if you like to blog on the move, up a mountain, or even when riding a bike. The highlight is its 5.3 Kelvin 60p video capabilities and GoPro's new Hyper Smooth 4.0 video stabilization. It works in all modes, and alongside its 23 megapixels camera, it produces the best photos and has the best low light performance of any GoPro. Content can be transferred super fast via a cable. And it has an auto-upload feature that automatically adds photos and video to the cloud while it recharges. Some upgrades aren't all that exciting. But the Hero 10 Black was definitely worth the wait. Sound isn't quite so impressive, but its trio of microphones do a good enough job. And you can easily add an external mic or GoPro's own MediaMod accessory. In short, it's still the obvious and best choice for action-minded YouTubers. Reasons to buy: front-facing screen, 23 megapixels photos, 14.7 megapixels grabs from video. Reasons to avoid: 5K video takes up a lot of memory. Number 3. This Lilliputian camera incorporates a 3-axis gimbal into its design for super smooth video, regardless of how much bounce is in your step. And a button push turns the camera to face you for vlogging or selfies. For something so tiny and comparatively inexpensive, the DJI Osmo Pocket offers a surprising number of useful features. In addition to a color touchscreen and the ability to change settings by swiping across the little monitor, you can hook it up to your smartphone if the larger screen is more convenient. You can shoot video, photos, slow motion, time-lapse, and panoramas. The device offers JPEG and RAW options as well as manual exposure controls and tracking. On the creative side, the DJI Osmo Pocket offers themed story modes. The gimbal is fairly delicate, though, and it's not waterproof, so be careful when handling the camera. But it's a very cool little gizmo that you can slide into your pocket. So you're ready for whatever action unfolds in front of you. Also check out the DJI Pocket 2. With updated features such as a slightly larger sensor, improved audio and easier to use story mode, along with new accessories. It's more expensive, $349 versus $220. But we'll be reviewing it soon to see if it's worth the extra. Reasons to buy. Good quality video and photos. Gimbal lets you take very steady video. Robust controls and features. Reasons to avoid. Moving gimbal can get damaged. Number 4. Sony Alpha A6600. Although a little larger, heavier and more expensive than most of our recommendations, the Sony A6600 is well equipped for vloggers who want more control over their video capture. A flip-up, 3-inch touchscreen LCD faces forward when positioned at 180 degrees and can be used to activate focus and choose a subject to track with just a tap. Although the Sony A6600 is equipped with microphone and headphone jacks, like other cameras with flip-up screens you'll need a cold shoe mount to keep the microphone from blocking the LCD. Autofocus performance is quite good thanks to Sony's excellent face and eye AF that keep you in sharp focus when shooting up to 4K video. Video AF speed can be adjusted so you can create some interesting effects. And, as a bonus you'll get movie markers including a safety zone, as well as zebra and peaking tools. The Sony A6600's 5-axis image stabilization helps deliver smooth video even when you're walking. You also get about 250 minutes of battery life, customizable buttons and the ability to turn the camera into a webcam with Sony's free Imaging Edge webcam software. With all of its features, and we didn't cover them all here, the Sony A6600 is best suited for vloggers who like to dig deep into the camera's many capabilities. Reasons to buy. Full feature set. Effective image stabilization. Fast, accurate AF. Dust and splash resistant. Reasons to avoid. Small record button. Number 5. Canon EOS M6 Mark. DSLR. The compact mirrorless Canon EOS M6 Mark II is quick to focus on whatever subject is under one of the camera's manually selectable 5481 AF points. Thanks to face tracking and eye detection, you, or your intended subject, will stay in focus while filming up to 4K UHD. A firmware update last year added 24p, which makes this camera even more appealing. The 3-inch touchscreen tilts up to a forward-facing 180 degrees. It clears the top of the camera body for an unimpeded view while vlogging, unless you mount a microphone or the optional EVF in the hot shoe. While a microphone jack is available, you may want to look for a small cold shoe mount or cage to offset the accessory and unblock the monitor. This is not unique to the Canon EOS M6 Mark II. It's a product of using a tilt screen versus a fully articulated monitor. As always, Canon's menu system is clear and easy to navigate. And if you plan on taking still images, too, you get the benefit of a 32-megapixel sensor just like the Canon EOS 90D, except in a much smaller package. Reasons to buy. Excellent dual-pixel AF. Compact. Easy to use. Reasons to avoid. Optional EVF. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.